All right. It is officially 1 o'clock, and we have an extraordinarily packed schedule today. So we're not going to do the traditional wait 5 to 10 minutes after the start time to actually start. We're just going to dive right into it. And so if you could take a seat, that would be great. First of all, thank you all for coming. Really appreciate the people, especially that have traveled here in order to learn more about Dash Platform and the coming innovations that we're going to be releasing. And before I get into the details of what we're going to cover, I'll cover a couple of logistics. One is that we've got a nice coffee bar back here with macchiatos and cold brews and all kinds of fancier coffees. So if you get thirsty, there's that. We've got some other drinks in the back of the room. We have a Dash-enabled candy machine over here, so you can purchase a little bit of candy and try out the little vending machine, stickers, and other goodies over there. And bathrooms are in the hall out to the right. So with that covered, we'll get into the exciting stuff, which is the content around Dash Platform. We've got quite a number of team members, those that were based in the US here to fly in and present in person. We've got a couple of remote presentations as well, where we'll have a video session with some of the developers. And our goal here today is to introduce you to Dash Platform, help you understand what Dash Platform is, what its capabilities are, how it can be used, how you can get involved in testing it and help make it better. And we'll also talk a little bit about the team. Bob is going to give an update on the team that we've built and the roles within the team and how we've improved working together and so on. And then lastly, I'm going to be giving a presentation on Dash's attributes as a store of value. And I think that it's a very prescient time to take a look at that topic. I have been mulling around a set of ideas in my mind for quite some time on that topic. And I committed those to paper and started sharing them with the team. And lo and behold, we have a great deal of consensus within our team about some of the things that we can do to make improvements. And so I'm going to be sharing that. It's a set of content that I'm very excited about. So without further ado, given the time constraints that we're under and the packed schedule that we have, I'm going to hand things off to Liz for a presentation on product.
Thanks, Ryan.